Today, Prime Minister Modi addressed the 38th Convocation ceremony of Bharathidasan University in Tiruchirappalli, Tamil Nadu. He also presented awards to the meritorious students of the university. Addressing the gathering, the Prime Minister remarked that the 38th Convocation ceremony of Bharathidasan University is extremely special as it is his first public interaction in the new year of 2024. Modi expressed satisfaction in becoming the first Prime Minister to grace the Convocation ceremony at Bharathidasan University as he extended hearty greetings to the graduating students, their teachers and parents on the occasion.
This is my first public interaction in 2024. I am happy to be in the beautiful state of Tamil Nadu and among young people. I am also glad to learn that I am the first Prime Minister to have the privilege of coming to a convocation here. I congratulate the graduating students, their parents and teachers on this important occasion.
KHADC Chairman Lam